In this video, you can learn how to delete a property on Google Analytics. It can be your website, web store, mobile app or web app. So let's get started with the process. Once you log into Google Analytics, you need to click the Admin tab on the left of the screen. And next, in the top, you need to select the account from which you want to delete the property, if you have more than one account set up in Google Analytics. I have 5 accounts set up in my Google Analytics site, and I want to delete the property from Sitri web account. You need to select the account from which you want to delete the property. And here is my property. And again, to continue the process, we will need to click Property Details under Property Settings. This website is the property which I intend to delete from my Sitri web account. We can click Move to Bin button on the right side of the screen and again confirm deleting the property. And done, you can see the deleted property in the bin section of my account. It will be permanently deleted after 35 days from Google Analytics account, before which if we choose we can restore it. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel to get video updates like this.